See, they have given verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Here verify means what? We should prove now LHS equal to RHS. Any one side we make by this equals to the RHS, or by this we can make LHS equal. In this way we should solve this problem. See what they given, that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. This is LHS, this is RHS. Here we know that identity, that is x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is the identity. Okay. Then in question what they have given, x cube plus y cube. See, by in identity we have already x cube plus y cube. By taking in, I am going to prove now LHS equal to RHS. I am factorizing this factor, that is x cube plus y cube, and making equal to the RHS part. So x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube, where it will be in the identity x plus y whole cube, that is a cube plus y cube plus 3xy. We have in question already, it is they have given, that is x cube plus y cube, and remaining what should be substitute now x cube, keeping here in this side only, that is x cube plus y cube, and x plus y cube taking in RHS part, that is x plus y whole cube minus 3x into x plus y. Got? This is x plus y whole cube minus 3x x plus y. Next, x plus y, taking common x plus y common, that is x plus y is x plus, it remain with what here, square, x plus y whole square minus 3x x plus y will be common. Now x plus y whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square formula, that is a square minus b square minus plus 2ab. By applying that identity, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy and minus 3xy. And next x plus y, x square plus x square, 2x minus 3xy, what we get? Only xy. 3 minus 2 is y, and greater number which sign it took? Minus sign, so minus xy. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is C. LHS part we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Next question same, that is a cube minus x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. This is LHS part and RHS part. Taking, I am reducing that LHS part into RHS part. We have that is, they have already given LHS part x cube minus y cube. We know that identity x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, or a minus b whole cube formula. Same this all, but variable is different I have mentioned here. X cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube. I am taking this part into LHS part. X cube minus y cube plus 3xy into x minus y. And again here x minus y is common, x minus y, and remain with what? X minus y whole square plus 3x. X minus y, x minus means a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b? A square plus b square plus minus 2ab. That is applying this same formula, that is x square plus b square minus 2ab, or x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy as it is. Again x minus y, x into x square y square minus 2x plus 3xy plus 3x plus xy, because minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Which one? Positive 1, because 3 took positive sign, so plus xy, and we get RHS part x minus y, x plus x square plus xy plus y square, that is RHS part, what we want to prove, that we got. Next, go to the 10th problem. What they asked, factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following, that is 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. What they given? Factorization we should do now. Here 27 means we can write 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. Yes, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. I written that 27 in the form of 3 into whole cube is nothing but what here? 27 y cube. Next 125 can be written in 5 into 5 into 5. So 125 we can write 3 times, that is 5z whole cube. We know that a cube plus b cube formula. By applying this, it is in the form of what here? A cube plus b cube formula. We know identity that a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In the place of a, we can write 3y. In the place of b, we can write fz. Yes, and substituting in the formula, that is a means 3y plus b means 5z. And next 3y square, 3 whole y square plus 5z whole square minus 3y 5z. Substituting in this formula, and we get what here? 3z plus 5z equal to 9y square plus 9y square. How? 3 3s are 9 means 9y square. 5 into 5 is 25y square minus 5 3s are 15, and variables y into z, it is y z. This is a method to solve 10th problem. Again same as it is. 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. 64 m cube 343 n cube means 64 here we can write 4 into 4 into 4. 4 2 8, 8 64, 4 4 sorry, 4 4 16, 16 4 64. And 343 can be written as 7 into 7, that is 49. 49 into 7, it is 343. And it is this number will reduce into a cube minus b cube. In the place of a, we can give 4m, and in the place of b, we can give 7n. Same, a cube or x cube. X cube minus y cube identity equals to what here? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Substituting in this formula, in the place of x, we can substitute 4m. In the place of y, we can substitute 7m. By this, 4 minus 1 means 4m minus 7n, and substituting this value here. So lastly we get 4m minus 7n, that is 4 into 4 16 square, m into n m square. 7 into 7 it is 49, n into n is n square. Whole square, that means 2 times we should into 4m. 4 7s are 28, m into n is mn. This is about 10th one, second problem. Next method it is, next question, factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 1. And next we can write 27 has 3 into x cube, and y cube has it is, z cube has it is, minus 93x. We know identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xy minus 3xy. Using identity, see this identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is in the form of how? Which identity? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And the solution we get, that is a plus b. What is the formula for this? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And substituting these values in this formula, that is a is equal to 3x, b is equal to y, c is equal to 10. And next 3x plus y plus z, 3x plus y, b means what here, y, and c means here z, and substituting this value, a square means 9 square plus b square means here y square, and c square means here z square, minus, and next 3xy, ab means 3 into y, 3xy, next minus, b into c means y z, and next ca means z into 3x. This is about 11th problem. And next we are going to solve now. Verify that x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equals to 1 by 2 of x plus y plus z, x minus y whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus x whole square. Solving RHS, half of x plus y plus z equal to x minus y whole. Now I am taking this RHS part and making equal to the LHS part. Taking and means factorizing RHS part, and I am equaling to the LHS part. So now solving RHS part, that is RHS part means full. See here, this is LHS part and this is RHS part. Yes, RHS part, that is half into x plus y, my bracket of x minus y whole square plus y minus whole square plus z minus whole square, bracket close. And which formula? See now, keeping as it is half x plus y plus z as it is, and reducing this inner terms into a minus b whole square, means x minus y whole square means nothing but a minus b whole square, by applying that identity. See, where x minus y means a means here x, b means here y, means a minus b whole square formula reduced to a square plus b square minus 2ab, x square plus y square minus 2xy, and next plus next y minus z whole square means y square plus z square minus 2yz, next z minus x whole square means z square plus x square plus minus 2zx. This is first step. Next, making this off into x plus y, keeping as it is there. Next, here, see here in this all 2 is common now, 2, and x plus x it is 2x square, y plus y it is 2y square, z plus z is 2z square. Get it? And in all terms we get a 2, so 2 is common, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy z minus yz minus zx, and here 2 cancel and remain with what, x plus y plus z, and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus 2x. This is the RHS part what we solved. Now x cube, LHS part what they have given, x cube plus y cube plus 2z cube minus 3xyz, and solving now LHS part, x cube plus y cube plus z minus 3xy square means what is identity, that is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus 2x. Now this equals to what is now, this one, 3 x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to what here, 3xyz. This means 3x. This all part means what here, x cube, I applied this here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this identity, and it reduces to what here, RHS LHS part. Next 13th one, x plus y plus z plus 0 show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to what here? 3xy. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equals to what? X plus y plus z equal to x square plus y square plus minus xy minus yz minus z. This is a formula. Now putting, see they have given already x plus y plus z equal to 0 means when it will be this equation we must equal to what here? 0. We should put when we get this equation 0. See in what they have given, this is LHS part x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and this is RHS, making this LHS equal to RHS. Now I am solving LHS part, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz when it comes to the RHS part. Next we know that by taking this for identity and substituting values, yes, that x plus yz equal to 0, x square plus y square plus z square minus xyz. This 0 into anything is always we get 0 into anything, that is 0 only. So x cube plus y cube z cube equal minus 3xyz equal to what here? 0. X cube plus y cube z cube, when minus sign comes to the RHS part it reduces to the plus 3xy. So this is RHS part and it is proof. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xy. Next 14th one. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. We should find now cubes. Without actual calculating means here 12 into 12 into 12. We should not do like that. By identity, by using identity, we should solve this problem. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equals to what here? X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. They are already given that x cube y cube z cube. Now we have to solve now. When 3 minus 3x, when it goes to the RHS part, it reduces to what here? Plus 3xy. So taking this full equation, this part we should substitute. X means what? They already given that x means x cube means 12 cube, y cube means 7 cube, z cube means 5. Next x plus y plus z. Substituting x means what here? Minus 12, y means 7, z means 5. Substituting here in this formula, and we get minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, and writing this all minus 12 whole square, y square means 7 square, z square means 5 square, minus of minus x 5 y square z square. Okay, and see here minus 12 plus 7 minus 5 plus 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 12 minus 12 it is 0. 0 into anything, 0 into this part it is 0 only we get, because it is product between these two terms. So 0 into 0 is 0, and left with what here? Minus 3 minus 12 7 5 means 3x. Substituting in this value, plus 3, x means minus 12, y means 7, z means 5. So when we calculate 30, 12 is 36, 7 5 is 35. We will get 36 into 35, it is minus 1260. This is about 14th one. B you should only do. Next 15th problem. Give a possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in each area is given. Possible expression means we should find out now area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. We should find out two roots now by giving this, by using this equation. That is the what they given, 25a square minus 35a plus 12. By this equation we should factorize now. How, which method we will apply? We should apply now, that is splitting middle term. Splitting middle term means we need to find the two numbers of sum and product. See what is the equation here? 25a square minus 35a plus 25 means when we product 25 12 are 300 we should get, and when we do sum we should get minus 35, and this method is called what? Splitting middle term method. And 25a square minus 35 we should get now 300. When we do sum we should get minus 35. When we product we should get 300. So 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 12 means 15 20 is how much? 300 minus 15 minus 20 it is minus 35. So these are the roots, and in this making two parts 25a square 15a here 5a is common, and 25 square we can get 5a minus 3 minus, and in this term 4 is common, 4 5s are 4 3s are, so we get two roots, that is 5a minus 3 5a minus 4. Area is equal to what now? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, hence two are the possibility, that is case first, that is length is equal to 5a minus 3, breadth is equal to 5a minus 4, or else length is equal to 5a minus 4, breadth is equal to 5a minus 3, both. Next, that is 16th one. What are the possible expression for the dimension of cuboids whose volumes are given below? Volume is equal to 3x square minus 12x. 3x square minus 12x. First, now here what we should find out? The volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid here? The length into breadth into height. It is a formula of volume of the cuboid. First volume they have given 3x square minus 2x. We should find out now length, breadth and height dimensions. Factorize this given equation, that is 3x square minus 12x. 3 into x square minus 4x, because x is common in both terms, so 3 into x square minus 4x. 3x x minus 4. Next, here 3x is full common. 3x is common, means 3x, and left with what here? X minus 4. This is a next. Hence the volume is what we got? 3 into x minus 4. This is length, this is breadth, this is volume. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. 3 means what here? Length, x means breadth, height means x minus 4. This is the volume of the cuboid. I hope you understood. Thank you. If any doubt, ask once again, or any confusion.